And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hi, Sea Lions. My name is Maida King, and welcome to the Sea Lions Splash. Yay!
Get your passports ready because we're going on a trip around the world thanks to the International Culture Club. First stop, South Korea. Next stop, Iran. Welcome to Italy. Get ready because we're about to enter Brazil. Our final destination is the Netherlands.
Does everyone want to try some cheese? Okay.
International Day wouldn't be possible without the help from all the volunteers at each of the stations. You guys did a fantastic job. You went above and beyond, and we're so grateful for your service. I can't wait for International Day next year.
It's beach day! Yay!
plans later? Join Flip now if you want to express gratitude for those that you care about. Here are a few students who want to share who they appreciate the most.
We're gonna miss you, McGaw!
My favorite memory this year was my teacher and my classmates because they were all nice to me and they were all patient.
I like Miss Hudson.
My favorite memory is having the best teacher ever, Miss Weber, and having the best classmates. My favorite memory from McGaw is the Jogathon, where we get to run around and do laps and help support McGaw and earn prizes.
I appreciate Miss Martin because she's nice.
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you next year. Bye.